Hello, buyers and sellers. What is the latest numbers on the housing market as we move into the final months of 2024, and what are the experts saying as we near 2025? Hi, I am Suma Sri, the realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. Let us break it down and recap the latest statistics. According to the National Association of Realtors, nationally, we have seen an uptick in the inventory which started in the summer and has moved into the fall. This has caused the market to have a small shift, creating a more balanced market between buyers and sellers. On a national level, the median sales price is around 439,500,000, which is up to by 4% from this time last year. We are also seeing listings up by 3% from last year, indicating homeowners that are in a position to sell or listing their homes despite having a low mortgage rate. Our average month of inventory supply is 3.6, meaning the market is considered balanced for both buyers and sellers with close to 4 months of inventory on hand. On a national level, we are seeing average days on the market at about 35 days for sellers. This is up from this time last year, where average days on the market were about 25 to 30 days. Pending sales are down by 5% from this time last year, which is the biggest decline since November 2023. This is probably due to buyers waiting until the end of this year to see if rates would come down, and we should see this number improve. Let us now look ahead to 2025. Will we see more of the same statistics as this year? Mortgage rates are projected to come down some more due to the easing of inflation and signs of slowing economy. We should see an increase in both supply and demand, with total home sales to climb slightly to 5.4 million projected home sales. This is up from 4.5 million homes expected to be sold in 2024. We will see more buyers get back into the market after being sidelined, creating a little bit of pressure on pricing, with experts predicting home prices to rise about 2.6% next year. So, as we move towards 2025, it is important to know what is happening in your local area, as all regions are different. Understanding the 2025 housing forecast can help you plan your next move. Please reach out to my team and me so that we can give you an in-depth analysis on the inventory, pricing and mortgage rates. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, helping buyers and sellers with excellence and integrity. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a great day.